Hello, so I have a couple of words which are delicious and a couple of words which are not so delicious and that come from Catalan and, curiously enough, Occitan. Now, many English speakers don't even know what Occitan is, I imagine, but some of the words that derive from this language they will definitely be familiar with. And the first ones are alioli and paella, which of course come from a very medieval version of Catalan, Occitan, or French. Then we have a couple of more delicious words, cucumber and aubergine, and a not so delicious one, which is a squirrel, although I haven't eaten it, so I cannot quite tell you whether it's delicious or not. Another one of these words that we use in English would be barracks. Now, barracks has absolutely nothing to do with barraca, all right? A barracks is in fact a building which houses soldiers, or a group of buildings which house soldiers, and comes from medieval Catalan and Occitan. And did you know that the word gay comes from Occitan, gai, which of course means, you got it, merry or happy. Bias is another word, and of course if you are biased to something you don't see anybody else's point of view, all right? You only think about your point of view and the rest of it does not matter, so you have some sort of bias towards it. Now in Catalan you do have an expression which is similar, which is informació esbiaixada, okay? And this literally means the same in English, that this information has been biased. And the final word we have of course is cava, and with that I say cheers.